उसे रिजल्ट की कोई चिंता नहीं थी।
He wasn't worried about the result at all. He wasn't worried about the result at all.
मेरी माँ घर पर नहीं थी।
My mother was not at home. My mother was not at home.
जब डिलीवरी बॉय आया तब घर पर कोई नहीं था।
When the delivery boy came, nobody was at home. When the delivery boy came, nobody was at home.
मेरे पापा मुझसे गुस्सा नहीं थे।
My father was not angry with me. My father was not angry with me.
टीवी इतना महंगा नहीं था।
The TV was not so expensive. The TV was not so expensive.
रिजल्ट उतना भी खराब नहीं था जितनी मैंने उम्मीद की थी।
The result was not as bad as I expected. The result was not as bad as I expected.
क्या तुम्हें कोई पीजी मिला?
Did you find any PG? Did you find any PG?
क्या तुमने नए फ्लैट में शिफ्ट किया?
Did you shift to a new flat? Did you shift to a new flat?
क्या वाकई उसने मेरा नाम लिया?
Did he actually take my name? Did he actually take my name?
क्या तुम डॉक्यूमेंट्स लगाना भूल गए थे?
Did you forget to carry your documents? Did you forget to carry your documents?
तुमने सुना नहीं उसने क्या कहा?
Didn't you hear what he said? Didn't you hear what he said?
क्या उसे कोई लड़का मिला?
Did she find any boy? Did she find any boy?
क्या तुमने इस बार पेपर दिया?
Did you appear for the exam this time? Did you appear for the exam this time?
क्या तुमने वो बाइक ले ली?
Did you buy that bike? Did you buy that bike?
क्या बच्चा शेर देखकर डरा नहीं?
Did the child not get scared on seeing the lion? Did the child not get scared on seeing the lion?
क्या तुमने वो गाना सुना?
Did you listen to that song? Did you listen to that song?
क्या मैंने तुम्हें बताया नहीं?
Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you?
क्या उसने तुम्हें प्रपोज किया?
Did he propose to you? Did he propose to you?
क्या वो वहाँ नहीं था जब हम बात कर रहे थे?
Was he not there when we were discussing? Was he not there when we were discussing?
क्या तुम ड्राइव कर रहे थे जब मैंने कॉल किया?
Were you driving when I called you? Were you driving when I called you?
क्या उसने टाइम पर ट्रेन पकड़ ली थी?
Did he catch the train on time? Did he catch the train on time?
क्या वो ठीक ठाक दुबई पहुंच गए थे?
Did they reach Dubai safely? Did they reach Dubai safely?
क्या तुम्हें राहुल का कोई कॉल आया?
Did you get any call from Rahul? Did you get any call from Rahul?
क्या तुम कल छुट्टी पर थे?
Were you on a leave yesterday? Were you on a leave yesterday?
क्या गली में कुत्ते ने किसी को काटा?
Did the dog bite anyone in the street? Did the dog bite anyone in the street?
क्या मीटर चेक करने कोई आया था?
Did anyone come to check the meter? Did anyone come to check the meter?
क्या वो मेरी शादी पर आया था?
Did he come at my wedding? Did he come at my wedding?
क्या उसने तुम्हें अपनी शादी पर बुलाया था?
Did he invite you to his wedding? Did he invite you to his wedding?
क्या तुमने अपने बर्थडे पर दावत दी थी?
Did you give a treat on your birthday? Did you give a treat on your birthday?
क्या तुमने इंटरव्यू की तैयारी की थी?
Did you prepare for the interview? Did you prepare for the interview?
क्या तुमने ये बनाया? क्या तुमने ये बनाया?
Did you make it? Did you make it?
क्या आपको इस वीडियो से सीखने में मज़ा आया?
Did you enjoy learning from this video? Did you enjoy learning from this video?
क्या आपको ये सेंटेंसेस पहले से पता थे?
Did you know these sentences already? Did you know these sentences already?
क्या आपको ये वीडियोस पसंद आई?
Did you like this video? Did you like this video?
मैं तुम्हें छोड़ूंगा नहीं।
I will not spare you. I will not spare you.
गाड़ी खरीदने के लिए मैं कुछ लोन का इंतज़ाम करूंगा।
I will arrange for some loan for buying a car. I will arrange for some loan for buying a car.
कॉलेज ख़त्म करने के बाद मैं मुंबई में नौकरी कर ढूंढूंगा।
After finishing my college, I will search for a job in Mumbai. After finishing my college, I will search for a job in Mumbai.
हम दिवाली की छुट्टियों में घर की सफाई करेंगे।
We will get our house whitewashed during Diwali holidays. We will get our house whitewashed during Diwali holidays.
अगले हफ्ते मैं पुणे शिफ्ट हो जाऊंगा।
I will ship to Pune next week. I will ship to Pune next week.
हमारा स्कूल नवंबर में खुलेगा।
Our school will open in November. Our school will open in November.
वो सिंगापुर से MBA करेगा।
He will pursue MBA from Singapore. He will pursue MBA from Singapore.
वो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा।
I will have to look into it. I will have to look into it.
मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करूंगा।
I will try my best. I will try my best.
मैं मंडे को छुट्टी लूंगा।
I will take a leave on Monday. I will take a leave on Monday.
मैं पढ़ाई के साथ साथ कोई छोटी मोटी नौकरी कर लूंगा।
I will do some PT job along with my studies. I will do some PT job along with my studies.
28 की उम्र तक मैं सेटल हो जाऊंगा।
I will get settled by the time I turn 28. I will get settled by the time I turn 28.
कल से मुझे जल्दी ऑफिस पहुंचना होगा।
I will have to reach office early from tomorrow. I will have to reach office early from tomorrow.
वो अगले महीने घर खाली कर देगा। वो अगले महीने घर खाली कर देगा।
They will vacate the house next month. They will vacate the house next month.
मैं आज ये सामान
बदलवाने जाऊंगा. Today I will go for getting these items exchange. Today I will go for getting these items exchange.
अगर मौसम बेहतर हो गया तो हम पिकनिक पर चलेंगे।
If the weather improves, we will go on a picnic. If the weather improves, we will go on a picnic.
कल से मैं रोज एक्सरसाइज करूँगा।
I will exercise daily from tomorrow. I will exercise daily from tomorrow.
मैं अगले साल जब बदलूँगा।
मैं अगले साल जॉब बदलूंगा. I will switch my job next year. I will switch my job next year. मेरी एफडी 5 साल बाद मैच्योर हो जाएगी. My FD will get matured after 5 years. My FD will get matured after 5 years.
अगले महीने तक रिजल्ट घोषित कर दिया जाएगा।
The result will be declared by next month. The result will be declared by next month.
दरवाज़ा बंद कर दो, नहीं तो मच्छर अंदर आ जाएंगे।
Please close the door, otherwise the mosquitoes will enter. Please close the door, otherwise the mosquitoes will enter.
पोछा लगा दो, नहीं तो कोई फिसल जाएगा।
Please mop the floor, otherwise someone will sleep. Please mop the floor, otherwise someone will sleep. डब्बा कसकर बंद कर दो, नहीं तो बिस्किट सिल जाएंगे. Please close the box tightly, otherwise the biscuits will become soggy. Please close the box tightly, otherwise the biscuit will become soggy.
अगर बारिश आ गई तो सारे कपड़े भीग जाएंगे।
If it rains, all clothes will get drenched. If it rains, all cloth will get drenched.
अगर रेंट कम हुआ तो मैं वहाँ फ्लैट ले लूँगा।
If the rent is low, I will take that flat. If the rent is low, I will take that flat.
अगर तुम फर्स्ट आए तो तुम्हें साइकिल मिलेगी।
If you come first, you will get a cycle. If you come first, you will get a cycle.
जब तक डिनर बनता है तब तक हम टीवी देख लेंगे।
While the dinner gets prepared, we will watch TV. While the dinner gets prepared, we will watch TV.
अगर तुम यह ऐप डाउनलोड करो तो तुम्हें कैशबैक मिलेगा।
If you download this app, you will get cashback. If you download this app, you will get cashback.
हम अगले साल नई गाड़ी खरीदेंगे।
We will buy a new car next year. We will buy a new car next year.
ट्रेन आज देरी से चलेगी।
The train will depart late today. The train will depart late today.
पूरे कागजात ना होने की वजह से हमारा काम देरी से होगा।
Our work will be delayed because of incomplete documents. Our work will be delayed because of incomplete documents.
दिवाली पर मैंने नए कपड़े पहनूंगा।
I will wear new clothes I will wear new clothes on Diwali. I will wear new clothes on Diwali.
दिवाली पर हम नया टीवी खरीदेंगे।
We will buy a new TV on Diwali. We will buy a new TV on Diwali.
वो इस बार भी तुम्हारा जन्मदिन भूल जाएगा।
He will forget your birthday even this year. He will forget your birthday even this year.
अगर तुम शर्त हारे तो तुम मुझे 100 रुपीज़ दोगे।
If you lose the bet, you will give me rupees 100. If you lose the bet, you will give me 100 rupees.
मेरी माँ कल
Meerut.
मेरठ से वापस आएगी।
My mother will return from Meerut tomorrow. My mother will return from Meerut tomorrow.
मैं नाश्ते में ब्रेड बटर और दूध लूँगा।
I will take bread, butter and milk in breakfast. I will take bread, butter and milk in breakfast.
मीरा के
शीला से ज़्यादा मार्क्स आएंगे. Meera will score more marks than Sheila. Meera will score more marks than Sheila.
अगले कुछ दिन शिमला में लगातार बर्फ पड़ेगी।
It will snow continuously in Shimla for the next few days. It will snow continuously in Shimla for the next few days.
मुझे 11 बजे वहाँ पहुँचना होगा।
I will have to reach there by 11 a.m. I will have to reach there by 11 a.m. वह फुटबॉल खेलता है. He plays football.
आरुषि स्कूल जाती है।
आरुषि goes to school. आरुषि goes to school.
मैं मुंबई में रहता हूँ।
I live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai.
वह रोज सुबह सैर करने जाता है।
They go for a walk every day. They go for a walk every day.
वो रोज खाना बनाता है।
He cooks food daily. He cooks food daily.
उसे चाय पसंद है।
She likes tea. She likes tea.
तुम अक्सर फोन घर भूल जाते हो।
You often forget your phone at home. You often forget your phone at home.
उसे कहानियाँ सुनना बहुत पसंद है।
He loves to listen to stories. He loves to listen to stories.
वह बहुत जल्दी बात करती है।
She talks very fast. She talks very fast.
हम तुम्हारे पड़ोसी हैं।
We are your neighbors. We are your neighbors.
रिया और पिया दोस्त है।
Riya and Priya are friends. Riya and Priya are friends.
उसे बॉलीवुड मूवी देखना पसंद है।
She likes watching Bollywood movies. She likes watching Bollywood movies.
हमें मैथ की ट्यूशन लगानी है।
We want to join math tuitions. We want to join math tuitions.
तुम्हारी हैंडराइटिंग बहुत सुंदर है।
You have a beautiful handwriting. You have a beautiful handwriting.
उसे साइंस पसंद है।
She likes science. She likes science.
हम जिम साथ में जाते हैं।
We go to the gym together. We go to the gym together.
बच्चे घर पर है।
The children are at home. The children are at home.
आज मौसम बहुत सुहाना है।
The weather is very pleasant today. The weather is very pleasant today.
मेरी बिल्ली बहुत तेज भागती है।
My cat runs very fast. My cat runs very fast.
इंडिया की राजधानी दिल्ली है।
Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India.
वह मैकडोनाल्ड में काम करता है।
He works at McDonald. He works at McDonald.
यहाँ हर रोज बारिश होती है।
It rains here every day. It rains here every day.
मेरे फोन की बैटरी बहुत चलती है।
My mobile's battery lasts very long. My mobile battery lasts very long.
सब दुकानें खुली है।
All shops are open. बंद कर.
आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
I am very happy today. I am very happy today.
उसे चावल नहीं पसंद.
He doesn't like rice. He doesn't like rice.
मुझे आज ऑफिस नहीं जाना.
I don't have to go to office today. I don't have to go to office today.
मेरी तबीयत खराब है.
I am not well. I am not well.
दूध गर्म नहीं है.
The milk is not hot. The milk is not hot.
मैं उससे नाराज नहीं हूँ. मैं उससे नाराज नहीं हूँ.
I am not angry with her. I am not angry with her.
वो अच्छा नहीं गाती.
She does not sing well. She does not sing well.
उनको मदद नहीं चाहिए.
They do not need any help. They do not need any help.
प्रिया को ड्राइविंग नहीं आती.
Priya doesn't know how to drive. Priya doesn't know how to drive.
राहुल सिगरेट नहीं पीता.
Rahul does not smoke. Rahul does not smoke.
मैं गिटार नहीं बजाता.
I don't play guitar. I don't play guitar.
तुम ज्यादा पानी नहीं पीते.
You don't drink enough water. You don't drink enough water.
चाय स्वाद नहीं है.
The tea doesn't taste good. The tea doesn't taste good.
उसको बुखार नहीं है.
He does not have fever. He does not have fever.
मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता.
I don't know how to cook. I don't know how to cook.
मुझे यह शर्ट अब पूरी नहीं आती.
This shirt doesn't fit me anymore. This shirt doesn't fit me anymore.
वो अभी नहीं आए.
They have not arrived yet. They have not arrived yet.
हम अंडे नहीं खाते.
We don't eat eggs. We don't eat eggs.
वो कभी टाइम पर नहीं आती.
She never comes on time. She never comes on time.
मैं इंग्लिश ठीक से नहीं बोल पाता.
I am not able to speak English properly. I am not able to speak English properly.
आज मार्केट बंद नहीं है.
The market is not closed today. The market is not closed today.
मैं अपना वक्त ज्यादा नहीं करता.
I don't waste my time. I don't waste my time.
तुम्हारे पास नौकरी नहीं है.
You don't have a job. You don't have a job.
वो बहुत अमीर नहीं है.
He is not very rich. He is not very rich.
नाश्ता तैयार नहीं है.
The breakfast is not ready. The breakfast is not ready.
मैं ज्यादा नहीं खाता.
I don't eat much. I don't eat much.
क्या तुम इस पहेली को सुलझा सकते हो?
Can you solve this riddle? Can you solve this riddle?
क्या तुम कैब बुक कर सकते हो?
Can you book a cab? Can you book a cab?
क्या मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ?
Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something?
क्या मैं तुमसे कुछ पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ?
Can I borrow some money from you? Can I borrow some money from you?
क्या हमें तैयार होना है?
Do we have to get ready? Do we have to get ready?
क्या हम शादी में जा रहे हैं?
Are we going to the wedding? Are we going to the wedding?
क्या तुम खुश हो?
Are you happy? Are you happy?
क्या वह काम करता है?
Does he work? Does he work?
क्या वो स्कूल में पढ़ाती है?
Does she teach in a school? Does she teach in a school?
क्या वह चालाक है?
Is he clever? Is he clever?
क्या वह बुद्धिमान है?
Is she intelligent? Is she intelligent?
क्या बाहर गर्मी है?
Is it hot outside? Is it hot outside?
क्या यहाँ बारिश होती है?
Does it rain here? Does it rain here?
तुम्हारे पास कितनी किताबें हैं?
How many books do you have? How many books do you have?
क्या तुम एक दूसरे को जानते हो?
Do you know each other? Do you know each other?
क्या ये तुम्हारी बहन है?
Is she your sister? Is she your sister?
तुम्हारे कितने भाई बहन हैं?
How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have?
क्या तुम सबसे छोटे हो?
Are you the youngest? Are you the youngest?
क्या तुम सबसे बड़े हो?
Are you the eldest? Are you the eldest?
क्या तुम पार्टीज में जाते हो?
Do you go to the parties? Do you go to the parties?
क्या आप रोज वीडियोस देखते हो?
Do you watch videos daily? Do you watch videos daily?
क्या आपको भी रोज नए सेंटेंस सीखने में मजा आता है?
Do you also enjoy learning new sentences every day? Do you also enjoy learning new sentences every day?
तुमने मुझे धोखा दिया।
You ditch me. You ditch me.
हमने कल पिक्चर देखी।
We saw a movie yesterday. We saw a movie yesterday. Garima sleep while walking. Garima sleep while walking.
अनु ने समय रहते काम खत्म कर लिया।
Anu completed her work in time. Anu completed her work in time.
मैनेजर ने छुट्टी वाले दिन ऑफिस बुलाकर त्योहार का सारा मजा खराब कर दिया।
The manager spoiled the entire fun of the festival by calling us to the office on a holiday.
मेरे दादाजी सुबह ही ब्रेड और अंडे ले आए थे।
My grandfather bought bread and eggs in the morning itself.
मैंने कल ही मोबाइल रिचार्ज कराया।
I recharged my mobile yesterday itself.
उनकी पिछले हफ्ते शादी हो गई।
They got married last week.
रोहित ने मुझसे 50 रुपए लिए थे।
Rohit took 50 rupees from me. Rohit took 50 rupees from me.
जब तक मैं दुकान पर पहुंचा तब तक सारे मोबाइल बिक चुके थे।
Till the time I reached the shop, all mobiles were sold.
मिठाई बासी थी तो मैंने फेंक दी।
The sweets were stale, so I threw them.
वो ऑफिस से आते हुए बर्गर लाता है।
While coming back from the office, he bought a burger.
मेरा 500 का चालान कट गया.
I got fined for rupees 500. I got fined for rupees 500.
गिफ्ट खोलकर वो हैरान हो गया.
He got surprised after opening the gift. He got surprised.
मेरे 100 में 85 नंबर आए.
I got 85 marks out of 100. I got 85 marks out of 100.
मैं वहाँ मौजूद था जब एक्सीडेंट हुआ.
I was present there when the accident took place. I was present there when the accident took place.
उनके घर चोरी हो गई.
Their house got robbed. Their house got robbed.
चोर जेवर और 20,000 कैश लेकर भाग गया.
The thief ran away with jewelry and rupees 20,000 cash.
मेरा पड़ोसी सीढ़ियों से गिर गया.
My neighbor fell off the stairs. My neighbor fell off the stairs.
अरुण को प्रमोशन मिल गई.
Arun got promoted. Arun got promoted.
इस साल हमें सैलरी में बढ़िया हाइक मिला.
This year we got a good hike in our salary. This year we got a good hike in our salary.
सफलता रंग लाई.
Our efforts paid off. Our efforts paid off.
रीना को नौकरी से निकाल दिया.
Reena was laid off from the job. Reena was laid off from the job.
अमित को जॉब से रिजाइन करने को बोला गया.
Amit was asked to resign from his job. Amit was asked to resign from his job.
उसको मजबूरान अपना घर बेचना पड़ा.
He was compelled to sell his house. He was compelled to sell his house.
राहुल राणा को कंपनी के सीईओ बना गए. राहुल राणा को कंपनी का सीईओ बनाया गया.
Rahul Rana was appointed as the CEO of the company.
मैं मीटिंग में था जब तुमने मुझे कॉल किया.
I was in a meeting when you called. I was in a meeting when you called.
मेरे जन्मदिन पर मैंने गरीबों में खाना बांटा.
I distributed food among the poor on my birthday.
हम पिछले साल मिले थे.
We met last year. We met last year.
मेरा चश्मा घर रह गया.
I left my spectacles at home. I left my spectacles at home.
मेरे फोन में चार्ज खत्म हो गया.
My phone battery died. My phone battery died.
मैंने बिजनेस में 2 लाख डुबा दिए.
I lost 2 lakhs in my business. I lost 2 lakhs in my business.
उसका बटवा चोरी हो गया.
His wallet got stolen. His wallet got stolen.
मेरा एडमिशन दिल्ली के एक कॉलेज में हो गया.
I got admission in one of the colleges of Delhi. I got admission in one of the college in Delhi.
गाड़ी बीच सड़क खराब हो गई.
The car broke down in the middle of the road. The car broke down in the middle of the road.
मशीनें खराब थी जब हमने बेची।
The machine was in a bad shape when we sold it. The machine was in a bad shape when we sold it.
उसने मुझे अपनी उम्र के बारे में झूठ बोला।
He lied to me about his age. He lied to me about his age.
वो पिछले महीने यूके शिफ्ट हो गया।
He shifted to the UK last week. He shifted to the UK last week.
आकाश की सैलरी नहीं बढ़ी थी।
Akash's salary was not increased. Akash's salary was not increased.
उसने सही डिसीजन नहीं लिया।
He didn't take the right decision. He didn't take the right decision.
उस कंपनी की एचआर ने वापस कॉल नहीं किया।
That company's HR never called back. That company's HR never called back.
मुझे वो गाना पसंद नहीं आया।
I didn't like that song. I didn't like that song.
हम एनिवर्सरी पर कहीं नहीं गए।
We didn't go anywhere on our anniversary. We didn't go anywhere on our anniversary.
पिछले साल के क्वेश्चन पेपर इतने मुश्किल नहीं थे।
Previous year's question papers were not so tough. Previous year question paper were not so tough.
उस रेस्टोरेंट का खाना इतना अच्छा नहीं था।
That restaurant's food was not so tasty. That restaurant's food was not so tasty.
उसकी गाड़ी हाईवे पर खराब नहीं हुई थी।
His car didn't break down on the highway. His car didn't break down on the highway.
प्रकाश इस बार भी प्रमोट नहीं हुआ।
Prakash didn't get promoted even this year. Prakash didn't get promoted even this year.
पिछले साल वो एग्जाम नहीं हुआ था।
That exam wasn't conducted last year. That exam wasn't conducted last year.
पार्टी में किसी को मेरी याद नहीं आई।
Nobody missed me at the party. Nobody missed me at the party.
सिर्फ मेरा नहीं बल्कि बाकी सबका उस विषय पर यही ख्याल था।
Not only me, but everybody else also had the same opinion on that topic.
मैं वहां नहीं था जब ये हुआ।
I was not there when this happened. I was not there when this happened.
तनया ने यह नहीं बोला था कि वो नहीं आएगी।
Tanaya didn't say that she won't come. Tanaya didn't say that she won't come.
मुझे चोट नहीं लगी।
I didn't get hurt. I didn't get hurt.
मुझे उसने कुछ नहीं बताया।
He didn't tell me anything. He didn't tell me anything.
मेरा मन नहीं था उससे बात करने का।
I wasn't feeling like talking to him. I wasn't feeling like talking to him.
मुझे तब भूख नहीं लगी थी।
I wasn't hungry then. I wasn't hungry then.
तुमने काफी समय से कुछ नहीं खाया हुआ।
You haven't eaten anything for a long time. You haven't eaten anything for a long